Introducing the ReelRover, a game-changing wire management device that improves productivity at the distributor and on the job site. Those awkward heavy reels are hard to maneuver, slow productivity, and eat up man-hours. With Cerrowire's innovative ReelRover, you can tame the beast. The ReelRover easily integrates with wire paralleling equipment. Each unit comes with 2 drive adapters to allow it to fit many different pieces of equipment. The ReelRover has 3 compartments for conductor wire and 1 free-spinning ground compartment. See how simple it is for one person to handle the wire loading process. No forklift, no beastly struggle to get things rolling. With multiple size starter holes in the drum for different gauge size compatibility, there's no learning curve needed. It's the same process your guys use for starting conductors to load the drum, just easier. And check out this unique feature. Our ReelRover has a free spinning ground reel lever that lets the ground wire be loaded independently. Yep, we've eliminated the need to disassemble and reassemble. Talk about saving time and effort. With smart features that are designed around the work you do, the ReelRover can be moved safely by just one person. It's designed to fit on a liftgate or take advantage of the forklift products when needed. When the ReelRover transmission is in neutral, the drive wheel tires and caster wheels let you move it easily across open spaces. Make broad turns or tight turns. For this maneuver, put the gear shift in park on one side and drive on the other, and simply turn the ReelRover on center. Need to navigate a 36-inch finished door? No problem. Debris at the construction site won't stop you either. Safety and control are a major deal with the ReelRover. With the transmission and drive on both sides, the chain engages to control the descent. You can safely move a heavy, fully loaded reel down an incline. And with the 3-to-1 gear ratio, the drive gear also allows one person to move the fully loaded ReelRover up an incline safely. The ReelRover makes setup for the wire pull faster and easier. No check and recheck required. Position the ReelRover at the electrical closet and set the parking brake. Check out the smooth pull here. It's our better bearings that make it smooth. Remember that free spinning ground reel? Yep, it makes it easier to do it right the first time, every time at the pull zone. Now, aren't you tired of those hard-to-handle reels? Yeah, we were too. It's time to tame the beast. And you can do it with the ReelRover. Crafted in America, and it's only from Cerrowire. See it all at Cerrowire.com.